Thank you for your interest in the Medical Laboratory Technology, or MLT, program at Wenatchee Valley College. During this online information session, you will learn everything you need to know to apply to the MLT program. But before we dive in, it's important for you to know that the MLT program is considered a limited enrollment program. Admission is competitive. Students with the best grades are the ones accepted first, and thus it is important to make school a top priority if you want to become a MLT. To get started, you need to locate the MLT website. This can be found by going to www.wvc.edu/MLT. Take time to read through all of the MLT pages and check back regularly for updates and new information. On the website, you can find and download the first year coursework checklist. Print out this form and read it thoroughly. This form explains what you must complete before applying to the MLT program. It also includes a course sequencing chart. Review the sequencing chart and use it to create an educational plan that outlines the classes you will take to complete all of the MLT first year courses. If you have earned credit through any other college or university, you have one additional step. Before creating an educational plan, find and download the credit evaluation request form on the website. Print out this form and follow the instructions to request a credit evaluation. Credit evaluations help you see how your transfer credits will be accepted at Wenatchee Valley College. Once you receive the completed evaluation, you can continue by creating an educational plan. After you have created a tentative educational plan, check with your advisor to ensure you haven't missed any important steps or requirements. If you are a current Wenatchee Valley College student, you have an assigned faculty advisor. Look on your MyWVC portal to determine your faculty advisor's name and contact information. Reach out to your advisor. You can call, email, or schedule an in-person appointment with your faculty advisor. If you have not yet attended Wenatchee Valley College, contact the Educational Planner for Allied Health. Contact information is on the MLT website. Now that you know where to find information, let's review the specifics about the MLT program. The MLT profession is a growing field with lots of work opportunities. MLTs assist in diagnosing, monitoring, and treating diseases, collecting, processing, and analyzing blood samples, performing testing on blood and body fluid samples, examine fluid microscopically, examine cultures for the presence of bacteria, analyze blood for the presence of antibodies, perform blood bank testing, perform drug testing, and maintain and repair laboratory instrumentation. The MLT program is offered through Wenatchee Valley College, but you can complete the second year at 5 different locations. When you apply to the program, you will select the site you would prefer. Currently, you can choose between Wenatchee, Omak, Spokane, Walla Walla, and Pendleton, Oregon. Regardless of your site preference, prior to starting the second year of the MLT program, all first-year coursework must be completed. You are allowed to apply while completing first-year courses so long as you are on track to finish the remaining courses before the start of the second year. The grades you earn in the biology and English classes are particularly important. The higher the grades, the better chance you will have of being accepted. In addition to the first-year courses, you must meet all the general requirements listed on the first-year coursework checklist, so be sure to read that form very carefully. 2 of the first-year courses must be done through Wenatchee Valley College, even if you are completing the other courses elsewhere. MLT 100 and 102 are offered either in person or online. If you are a distance student, instructions for how to register for MLT 100 and 102 can be found online on the MLT admission page. Once you have met all the general requirements and completed all first-year courses, or are on track to complete all first-year courses, you are eligible to apply. Applications are accepted in late March through early April every year. Exact dates are posted online a few months in advance. You will have a 1-week window to submit your application materials. All official transcripts must be submitted. You must submit official transcripts from every college or university where you have earned credit regardless of what you studied or how long ago those credits were earned. As mentioned before, you can choose from one of the 5 sites. If you would be willing to train at more than one site, list the sites you'd be willing to go to in sequential order on your application. If you select Walla Walla, Spokane, or Pendleton as your site, you will be required to complete some additional steps during the application process. All instructions are posted online. The second year of the program starts every summer quarter and lasts 5 consecutive quarters. In the past few years, we usually receive about 15 applications for the Wenatchee and Omak sites. You can see the average grades of those students accepted to both sites. We do not have statistics to share for our other sites because students are accepted based on their grades and their work experience, recommendations, and occasionally an interview. When it comes time to submit your application, remember that all transcripts you submit must be official, meaning they are submitted in a sealed envelope. Transcripts must show all your recent coursework. And if you have earned credit through a school outside of the United States, you must contact the educational planner for Allied Health to learn how to have those credits evaluated. All application instructions are posted online along with the application. The application will be posted a few months before it is due. Take a look at the application, and if you have questions, contact the educational planner for Allied Health before applications are due. Incomplete applications or late applications will not be accepted. After all applications have been received, they are evaluated based on grades. Students with the highest GPA, core biology grades, and English 101 grades are accepted first. All applicants will be notified by late April or early May. If you are accepted, carefully read your acceptance packet and follow the steps. It is important to note that if you have a criminal record, we may not be able to train you. If you have a criminal record and you are curious whether this may affect your chance of participating in our MLT program, follow the instructions on the screen. That concludes our MLT program information session. Please read through the entire website and contact the educational planner for Allied Health with any questions.